Mutogori wa bunge-ini Adan Duale na muranawe bunge-ini ya Senate Kindiki Kithure niyo matamaniri maritwa mashoma meba 18 aria megushirira mwerekera wa kamiti ya IEBC. No ikinya riri ona thegia gwatano ya kodi kwa kuiguithania iguru ria no ukoya kamweke ka mubunge Helen Sambili. Senator wa Kakamega Dr. Boni Khalwale ni umwe wa meba 18 thutha mutogori wa kiama gia Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula gutithirithia ati no ginya kiama gia kikorona ameba eri kamiti-ini yo haria meba mugwanja ni amugithaniro.
Also to be given priority next.
Mutogori wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga arenda mubunge wa Busia Florence Mutua ureno wa kiama kia ODM kwa mweke ucio
2016 be now.
Mutaratara ucio ugashiriro gikaro-ini kia bunge wa keri kiumia turorete haria abunge a kodi magakorwo na mweke wa kwendekithia mogaruku agikorwo menamo. Kamiti ino ya mwanya iri na kahinda ga thikũ 30 kuruta mwerekera wa kamiti ya IEBC. No Mukenya Barasa Nyukuri ni ugite aya kuhanda cira igoti-ini kuregana kamiti ino ya bunge.
Post audit event.
Nona kamiti ya githurano na IEBC ni orogoteiro gucogereria muigana wa makiri ma shilingi bilioni 4 cia Kenya kura. Muthurimi wa mathafu Edward Ouko uria gwikinyetie mbere ya kamiti yake woto bunge-ini na kamiti ya ukinyaniria wa gatiba akauga ati kamiti iyo ndiarumiririre mutaratara wa thuguri undu uria wacogeririe kigena kiu kura.
What we paid eventually was about 36 million euros 989,937, which was being the difference between the additional cost incurred above that which Saffron Mofo had quoted if we had gone through the normal process, or indeed if we had really planned the procurement well and executed them in time.
Muthurimi ucio wa mathafu arendekithia maabitha kamiti ya IEBC ari ni hamwe na murugamiriri munene wa hau kabere James Oswago makuithio murigo ucio.
There is a collective responsibility that all at IEBC must share due to unclear strategy, planning, budgeting and execution of the March 14th election. As most of the procurements were done in an ad hoc manner. So thank you.
Grifotira Inoro TV ritore kono masharia wa Gashuru.